Hi guys, I'm walking back to the mall and I didn't buy anything today. I just hope everyone is having a nice day, a nice Friday to be exact. Because I'm heading home now. I'm very tired. Well, I'm actually going back tomorrow. And I got my Star Wars ticket. I got my Star Wars ticket, and I am going to Star Wars next week. And if you're going, maybe we can come along. I'm not sure what day Star Wars is, but it's supposed to be great. So if you're going, let me know. Hit me up. And maybe we can see it together. That is if you're going to see Star Wars. By the way, this is the last Star Wars of, next year is gonna be I don't know what's going out next year. We got a movie coming out next year, but I'm not sure what. It does have to do with Star Wars, but the thing is, the real Star Wars movie is over because there's gonna be no more, and the whole saga is gonna be done. But the side stories are done or not done. I think the side stories are gonna continue. I think you know what I mean, because I think they're continuing it. I'm not sure. I think that's what's happening. So yeah. So anyways, I hope everybody is blessed and having fun and being good and just stay blessed. If you are going to see Star Wars, let me know, because I will go see it. It's just gonna be me and my brother. But if you want to come along, it's fine with me. I have no one coming with me, but just my brother. So, yes. And since it is the last movie, so just hook me up, and I'll let you know. It's next week. I don't know when next week. Just get a hold of me. Follow me on Facebook. Or if I have an Instagram, like I do, follow me on there. My Facebook is just just follow Jeremy Hadley. Just follow that. And that's my Facebook. My YouTube name is Jeremy Hadley, that's Kicker. So, if you want to get to know me better, let's go follow those. Or add me on Facebook, which I'm not on Facebook that much anymore. So, yeah. So anyways, I'm actually going home to have supper with my parents, and I don't know what we're having tonight. So I think I'll be on here for a couple more minutes, and I have to go. So anyways, how has your guys' day been? It's been a couple of days since I haven't been on social media on here. How are you guys today? I'm sure doing awesome. Like, I just got back from the mall, and I'm doing fine. Plus, I got new glasses. If you guys like it, if you guys like my glasses, please subscribe now. And while I'm on my new adventures, you could subscribe then, and I'll get back to you as you know, because you guys are awesome. Very nice, beautiful. I'm trying to get my hair straight. It was straight. My hair's straight now. Stupid hair, man. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my hair stay straight. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good night. Stay blessed out there. Plus, have a Merry Christmas, everybody. And I love you guys. Stay weird. Till next time, which will be tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye.